Hello guys, as promised, let's do some expressions and sayings with can, can't and could. Let's go. Can't be bothered. If you say you can't be bothered to do something, you mean that you're not going to do it because you think it is unnecessary or because you're too lazy. Examples: I just can't be bothered to look after the house. I live alone and can't be bothered to cook every day. Who said the Brits are all pompous chaps who can't be bothered? I should really do some work this weekend, but I can't be bothered. I don't have the energy to do it, or I don't feel like doing it. Okay? Can't wait. You use I can't wait when you are excited about something, you're looking forward to doing something, you're eager to experience something. Examples: I can't wait to start my own business. Or I can't wait to see you. I can't wait for the weekend to begin. I can't wait to hear what he's going to say. Can't stand or can't bear. They mean about the same. The expressions are a figure of speech. Both allude to the fact that your legs bear your weight when you stand on your feet. Otherwise, you will fall, okay? If you can't bear or can't stand something, it means something does not agree with your senses in one way or another. Something is offensive. You don't like it. Maybe it makes you sick. Maybe you're allergic to it. These expressions are used when you thoroughly dislike something or somebody. Something or somebody you can't put up with, you can't stomach. Okay? Examples: I can't stand the sight of her. I hate her guts. She's obnoxious. I can't stand or I can't bear people smoking around me when I'm eating. I can't stand the way he addresses you. He's so rude. Oh, I can't stand the heat. I can't stand a filthy kitchen. I can't bear the thought of having to start all over again. I couldn't bear not seeing you again. She couldn't bear the thought of losing him. She can't bear to be laughed at. I can't bear you doing that. I can't stand men who don't lower the toilet seat. It drives me nuts. It drives me nuts. It drives me psycho. It drives me bonkers. And remember that song, I can't stand the rain against my window. Can't get over. When you can't get over something, it means you're very surprised by it. Examples: I can't get over the way he behaved at your party. It was appalling. I can't get over the fact that I lost against a beginner. I can't get over how rude he was. I was shocked. That movie was so fantastic. I can't get over it. I can't get over the fact our team lost at the very last minute. of the game. You can't be too careful. Don't stay out in the sun too long. You can't be too careful. This means you shouldn't take unnecessary risks. Okay? You can't win them all. This is a phrase used as an attempt at consolation. It's to encourage somebody who's just been disappointed about something. You win some, you lose some. Example. Obviously, I would have loved to win the national trophy for the school this year as well, but you just can't win them all. You can't compare apples and oranges. This phrase is used when referring to two things that are fundamentally different and therefore not worth comparing. The point of the metaphor is that nobody could mistake an apple for an orange. You can say that again. Is an expression used to show that you completely agree with what someone has said. Example. She's in a bad mood. You can say that again. You can run, but you can't hide. This means you can try to escape what you fear most, but in the end, you must face it. You can't escape the consequences of your actions. You can't go wrong with is used for saying that a particular thing will always be suitable or successful. Examples. If you want good weather, you can't go wrong with Spain. You've invited people over for dinner and you don't know what to cook. So your friend says, you can't go wrong with pasta. Everybody likes pasta. You're invited somewhere and you don't know what to wear. Your friend says, you can't go wrong with a little black dress, can you? Or for men, you can't go wrong with a dark grey suit. Beggars can't be choosers. In French, il ne faut pas faire la fine bouche. This is used to say that people who need something should be satisfied with what they get, even if it's not exactly what they wanted. Example, I would have preferred a house rather than an apartment, but beggars can't be choosers, I suppose. You can't judge a book by its cover. This means the quality or character of someone or something cannot be judged just by looking at them. Example. At first, we didn't really want to go into that restaurant as it looked small and cramped, but the food was delicious. So we realized you can't judge a book by its cover. A lot of people think I'm tough. I'm always joking and laughing, and that I couldn't care less. But you should never judge a book by its cover, because deep down, I'm a very sensitive person. You can't have your cake and eat it too. In French, le beurre et l'argent du beurre. You use this expression to say that one cannot have two incompatible things, or that one should not try to have more than is reasonable. Similar phrases, you can't have it both ways, or you can't have the best of both worlds. Now, that's a stupid expression, really, because who the would want a cake for if you can't eat the damn thing? Let's do a few more phrases. You can't Photoshop your ugly personality. You couldn't handle me, even if I came with instructions. You just can't fix stupid, but you can watch it on Facebook every day. I like this Navajo proverb. You can't wake a person who's pretending to be asleep. If you can't run with the big dogs, get back on. You can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. I don't want to. I don't have to. You can't make me. I'm retired. End of lesson for today. See you next time. Bye.